Welcome to this channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn some formula, how to find percentage, how to use if statements, match cells in MS Excel. Let me first enter the scores in each subject. For all the students. So now enter the subjects. Now I want to center this particular edit subject offer. I will highlight block the 4 column. This is a match cell. I've merged the cell. So I want this to be at the center. I can also block and match the cell so that student mark sheet will be at the center. Students will be at the center. Then to sum, I can you first of all enter is equal to. It will allow you to enter the formula. Then you type sum function, open bracket and closing bracket. You now highlight where to sum from here. Then you highlight that is from biology down here. You now enter key, it has sum it. You can drag it down to copy the same formula. If it is percentage, U is equal to, I think that's the total was I think how many subjects? 5 subjects is equal to this all over 5 multiplied by 100. Multiply by 5, that is it 4 subjects? So it's 4 subjects. Multiply by 400. So this is the percentage. That is the percentage will give you the total score for all the 4 subjects all over the amount score times 100 all over 1. That is the total of 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 4 all over 4. Which is G divided by 400 multiplied by 100. So give us the total. This subject is all over 100. They are all over 100. This one is also all over 100. everything here is all over 100. Let me increase the width so that you can see it. This one is all over 100. I think all the subjects are all over 100. Then let's find the grade. I think let's make it like this before I calculate the grade. Between 100 to 80, let's make it A. This grading. Between 79 to 60, let's make it B. Between 59 to 50 to 40, let's make it C. Y39 to 0, let's make it F. So how can we translate this grading here? We make use of if function. If bracket the H4, which is the percentage score, the average percentage score, if it is greater or equal to 80, should give us A. Then if it is again, you make use of if again, another condition. If H4 is greater or equal to 60, should give us B. Another if again. H4 is greater or equal to 40, should give us what? 6C. Then the last one, else, should give us F, that is fail. Otherwise. So it has been done. Let me copy this formula down. I can also copy the formula down. You can see. Thank you for watching this video.